Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to insert videos to your presentations on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon down below, which is the second option, and by scrolling down you are going to see that you have a vast variety of options in terms of the templates that you can use. Click on the one that you would like to use, then click on this A plus pencil image or icon at the top, which is the third option. Now select the home category in the middle of the screen and tap on the insert button. Scroll down till you find the videos option, click on it, and now as you can see you have been directed to your gallery where you can find your videos. So tap on the relevant one that you would like to insert. Here at the top you can also cut your video and play it if you want to, and then press the button choose down below in the right side corner in order to insert it to your presentation. Right now the app is compressing your video. So now as you can see you have added to your presentation. You can form it and put it to the right place. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.